Hi, my name's Claire and I'm part of the sales team here at Dometic Leisure Kingdom. Today we're in the warmth of our lovely showroom and I wanted to show you around the latest vehicle that we've got in. It's one of our bargains, so this is a 2024, so it's worth coming over and having a look at what we've got in our bargain basement. We've got some cracking deals. So this one is an Elddis Autoquest Cv20. It's a two-berth motorhome. It's based on a 2.2 Peugeot 140 brake horsepower automatic. So we've styled ours a little bit. As you go around the side, you'll see that we've opted for alloy wheels. That's an extra, not a standard feature. Here you can see that it's got the onboard gas tank that holds 20 litres of gas and you fill it up at a fuel station. Yep. Here is the toilet cassette. When the toilet cassette's removed, it's actually got wheels, so you can take it to the Elson point stress-free. And down here you'll see we've got two valves. The grey one is for wastewater and the blue one is for fresh water. This here is your water fill point and here is where the mains is connected. So as we go round the back we can see that we've got the two opening barn doors, and if we look to the top you can see it's got a reversing camera. If you take a look at the desk you'll see we've got beautiful Mark. Hello, that's Mark. Where he sits. Hi. When he's not doing videos, of course. And as you come down to this side of the vehicle, if you look up, you can see that it's got a canopy fitted. So externally, we've gone for alloy wheels and the canopy, things that we think are vital. So as we go into the inside of the motor, you can see here it's got the fly screen that pulls right the way across to stop those midges coming to get you if you're doing the North 500. Yeah. So we will go inside. Little storage above here. We've got your control panel for lights, water pump, and then we've got your controls here for hot water and heating, both on gas and electric. This here tells you how much gas you've got in the tank. Yeah. To the front, we've got both seats in captain's positions. We have the head unit. Also, you've got a 12-volt charger and USB charger. There's a mute there for the stereo when it's actually switched on. And it's just about to come on. On the windows, we've actually spec'd all of ours with blinds that go across the windscreen and on the side doors as well. You can see that it's the automatic gearbox and we've got all the expected controls on your steering wheel. Fabulous. So as we turn around, we'll see here, we've got a compressor fridge. So that means that when you're not on the mains, it's powered by a 12-volt battery. And here is your wardrobe space. Now if you look on lots of different forums and things, you'll see where people have chosen to put shelves in them. I quite like it as that space because you can utilise it with storage boxes and things. Yeah. Above the kitchen we've got some real keen ventilation here. We've got a good sized sink, and here we've got some drawers. We've got the control there to make the electric step go in and out, and we've also got a charging point as well. We've got shelves, yep. Handy light switches. We've spec'd ours with a microwave, so again this isn't standard. The ones that you get from here at Dometic Leisure Kingdom have got microwaves in them. 3 gas ring burner, a combi oven and grill, and then you've got this amazing seating area. So this seating area is really long. I think it's about 6'2" in length, and it makes into a double bed. So this will actually meet in the middle to make a bed, but when the bed's made, you've also got a seating area. So if you wanted to have that your last cup of tea or a glass of something else, you know, you can sit here and you can still chill and relax. Yeah. So you can sleep across ways in this, or I think sleep in long ways. And if you've got to get up in the night, you're not going to disturb the other. So storage is plentiful. That there is the control for the TV area, which is mounted on the roof. Yep. And the storage this side as well, also, is plentiful. There's a work surface extension that pulls out, and on the end there's 2 little catches, so that goes back down again. Superb. So if you're looking for a vehicle that's just under, oh, we've not done the washroom, Wendy. It's all right. I think it's behind you, love. There we go. So we have got a superb washroom. We've got the vanity cupboard at the top. Yeah. You've got the mirrors there as well. You've got your cassette toilet. The blue button at the back flushes it. The water for it as well actually comes from your fresh water tank, and then obviously it's deposited into the cassette that we showed you outside. We've got a vanity sink. Not quite sure about having my toothbrush that close to the toilet. I'd probably use that for an artificial bunch of flowers because I wouldn't have my toothbrush there. And when you get it, you'll have a shower curtain that goes all the way around. Yeah. So I think we'll all have a sleepless night looking at that toothbrush area. So, if I was you and you wanted to come and have a look where you're not going to put your toothbrush, come and see me. I'm Claire. I'm part of the sales team here at Donetic Leisure Kingdom, and I would love to show you around our automatic CV20, and it's a really good one to look at this time of year because it's in the showroom. I look forward to seeing you on site. Give us a ring though to make sure it's still for sale.